5 basic words in French and that we will translate into English. The first one is a bientôt or see you soon. The second one is au revoir or good luck. The third one is aduma or see you tomorrow. The fourth one, oui or yes. And lastly, ciao or bye.